Understanding is the ability to know, perceive, comprehend, and spiritually see. The awakening of our understanding starts with questioning. Questioning the old ways of thinking that we perhaps held when we were younger. Was anybody else raised with somebody telling you, most likely from a pulpit, how to believe? Yeah. Go to church, somebody tells you what to believe and how to do it, and then you try to get to brunch before the rest of the church crowd. Check? Yeah. You know, in some ways, that was a lot easier than what we're doing now. The last time I talked, I tried to explain things from an earth level, this human experience that we're having, and compare and contrast that against the spiritual level. Basically, our permanent address, if you will, who we really are throughout eternity. And if you'll indulge me, I'm going to use that again today. Understanding is different than wisdom. Remember the last time we talked about wisdom, that gut feeling. What is your gut telling you, which is where wisdom is housed within the body. Charles Fillmore, our Unity founder, defines wisdom as intuitive knowing, spiritual intuition. And he defines understanding as the ability of the mind to apprehend and realize the laws of thought and the relation of ideas to one another. What did he say? I don't know. To put it more simply, wisdom knows. Understanding knows why. The first idea to understand about spiritual understanding is that nobody ever attains it without first striving for it. Each of the 12 powers is a potential power. And if we don't look for it, we'll never find it. If we don't ask for it, we will never receive it. In the Bible, there's a story about Jehovah appearing to Solomon in a dream and asking, "What shall I give thee?" Solomon responds by saying, "Give thy servant an understanding heart to judge thy people, that I may discern between good and evil." Because Solomon asked for an understanding heart rather than wealth for himself, Jehovah not only granted Solomon's request, but also granted him both riches and honor. Jesus tells us in Matthew 6:33 to seek first the kingdom of God, you've all heard this, and his righteousness, and all these things will be added unto you.